Today I'm going to show you all 4 quick and easy recipes using this mango, daiquiri and margarita mixer. Alright, so we're starting with a snack first. So of course our mango margarita mix. Going in with 1.5 cups. To that, some orange juice. Of course you could play around with the type of juice you want to add. You could also add fresh fruit, some freshly squeezed lime juice. Give this a mix. And just to add a little bit of freshness, we're going in with some mint. If you want to do some lime zest as well, that works well. So we're just going to wake up the mint. Let's quickly break it up in our hands here. It's a perfect snack for these hot days. Right now in Trinidad here we need dry season, so every day is a hot one. Alright, let's give that a quick mix. And what you want to do, you want to get your popsicle mold. And straight into the mold it goes. And you should, let me see if I could pop one out. We made some yesterday ahead of time just so we could show you all. There you go. You have your margarita mix popsicle. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to make a quick, easy vinaigrette for your salad. So here we have some olive oil. We're going in with some of our margarita mix. It's about 1/4 cup. Some apple cider vinegar. Freshly squeezed lime juice. Salt, black pepper. Give this a good mix. And this is ready to go. Ready to drizzle this right over your salad. Right, so now we're going to make a glaze for your favorite protein. So we're going in with 1 cup of our mango margarita mix. So our hot saucepan. And because these mixes tend to lean on the sweet side, we're just going in with some freshly squeezed lime juice just to help balance it out. Give that a mix, and what we want to do, we want to let this simmer until it reduces and thickens. You can add a cornstarch slurry just to speed things along, or you could just leave it just like this. We just want to let the outer rim bubble about 5-10 minutes and just let it thicken. Right, so now I'm going to show you how to make a dessert with our mango margarita mix. So here we have some softened cream cheese. You want to bring this down to room temperature. And we're just going to beat it until smooth and creamy before we add any more ingredients to it. To that, we're going in with some sweetened condensed milk. And then of course with our margarita mix. Slowly mix it, whisk it in before we add in our lime juice. Before we add in our lime juice, we just want to scrape down the sides of the bowls just to get any remaining clumps of cream cheese. Lime juice. Right, and the last thing we want to do now is just grate in some lime zest. And it's a margarita pie we're making at the end of the day, right? So we want that tang on that just to help give us that freshness and balance the sweetness from our mix or condensed milk. We just want the zest, we don't want the rind. Quickly incorporate this. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to start to layer our dessert. So here we have a graham cracker crust mix. This is any type of cracker you want. Some brown sugar, melted butter. Let's run it through your food processor. So you're going to start with that as the base layer. And just use the back of your spoon just to press it down gently. Alright, so now we just want to gently spoon in our cheesecake margarita mix. Try not to touch the sides of the glass. Once you fill all, you want to let this set for anywhere between 6 to 8 hours, or for best results, just let it set overnight. Just make it the day before. So we're going to throw this in the fridge and come back to it in a bit.